We're going to change out a 19,000 mast. The first step will be to remove whatever end tooling is on the mast with the 2 bolts. We turn the lifter around so you can see the back side of it. The next step is to put on the brake so the lifter is secure, and then we will slide the handlebar out of the way. We'll remove the power pack. And then the mast is held on with 3 countersunk bolts at the bottom, 1 in the back, 2 in the front, and then there are 4 acorn nuts that secure to the intermediate. Those require a 5mm Allen wrench. The next step is to remove to loosen the 4 acorn nuts. These are 13mm. And those are not removed completely, they're just loosened. Which releases the mast, and the mast can now be lifted off. So that is the removal of the mast. To put the mast back on is just a repeat or a reversal of the instructions. So hang on, actually. Let's turn this around. So the mast slides on to the T-bars here, and we'll show it from this direction. Slide the mast down, and the coupling should align. If there is a gap there, you'll have to adjust the slide to get the couplings to mesh. Now the acorn nuts that hold the mast and the intermediate need to be tightened. This secures the mast. Please remember you need to tighten the top 2 and the bottom 2. This can be done with hand tools as well. And that is a replacement of the mast. The power pack and handlebar can be reattached.